Good morning, students. Myself, Amit Kumar Rabat, Assistant Professor at Roorkee Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I will design this particular video for defining the information about of entrepreneurship development. The subject is entrepreneurship development. So, for discussing the concept of entrepreneurship development, today we have taken a particular point, a particular topic: government initiatives, policies for entrepreneurship development. So, first of all, I will say stay home, stay safe, and stay happy, because nowadays this is a vision and this is a mission to all of you, including me. So stay home and stay safe and stay happy and enhance your skills and watching these video and gaining a knowledge. So I will start a particular topic. So the point is entrepreneurship development and a government. So the function of entrepreneurship in economy is not hidden to anybody. Most of the business activities are executed by entrepreneur. These persons, with reference to their characteristics, can enter business market. Entrepreneur's role is not only in the boost of production, but also in the recruitment of mass labor force. With due to awareness to role of entrepreneurship in economy, government is interested to direct and guide entrepreneurs need to capital, technology and other amenities for performing their activities. So for that reason, government can play imperative role for providing these facilities. With support and laws and regulations, government can give needed information and capital and make available to better technology can help entrepreneurs. So government can also carry out planning, draw policy and establish strategy for helping entrepreneurs. Clear? So in early stages of sustained growth, government is regularly provide incentives, subsidies, promotional schemes, concessions on excise duty for entrepreneurship development to take grip. Another vital role government have played in near the beginning stages are to develop transportation, power and water facilities and to help launch the sort of capital and money market in which lenders could have assurance. Economists have disputed that at very least, so government can come to prevent serious and long lasting recessions. Only this way can a general business psychology to be developed. So the following points is to be discussed under this particular point. The first one is the training. I think all of you are aware with the name of a training. So I also provide the information about of training in terms of entrepreneurship development. So the fundamental training changes according to product, but will require involving improving of entrepreneurial skills. As per requirement of entrepreneur, training is offered by government. Many government institutions and NGOs carry out EDPs and MDPs, like as Entrepreneurship Development Program and a Management Development Program. These programs are conducted by MSME, NSIC, EDI, and so on. Then the another point is a marketing assistant. Marketing assistance. So the governmental and non-governmental experts institutions offer marketing support. Generally, MSME products are promoted during trade fairs, but NSIC directly market the MSME product at national level and in a foreign country. So generally, the role of central and state government is providing the training, marketing assistance, providing the promotional schemes, concessions on excise duty, credit facility to MSME, and policies and schemes for promotion of MSME implemented by state governments. So then another point is to be discussed under the concept of entrepreneurship development and government promotional schemes. So I think you also know the meaning of a promotional schemes because in each and every particular field, public and private sectors regularly provide the promotional scheme for making a promotion. So central government has been implemented incentive schemes for offering refund of payment up to 75% of cost for obtaining ISO 9000 certification. Another point is concession on excise duty. So MSME units with an income expenditure of rupee 1 crore or less per year has been executed from excise duty charges. In addition, for production of branded products through MSME is rural areas, excise duty is excused. And policies and schemes for promotion MSME implemented by state governments. So all the state government facilities, particularly in Maharashtra, technical and other support services to entrepreneurs through their directorates of industries and district industries centers. Even if schemes differ state-wise, but common areas of support are expansion and administration of industrial estates, suspension different of sales tax, priority in distribution of power and water connections, and so on. Then we have discussed a particular point. Most of the people ask to me, what are the government incentives, subsidies? What do you mean by the government incentives, subsidies, and grants? So I will provide the information. Incentives, subsidies, and grants are the financial assist provided by various institutions, either governmental or non-governmental. It is an efficient tool to the entrepreneurship promotion. They execute functions of supporters for a developing entrepreneur. So the first one is incentives. So the term incentives means encouraging productivity. Encouraging productivity, it is a motivational force which makes an entrepreneur takes a correct decision and proceed upon it. Broadly, incentives include concessions, subsidies, and bounties. Economic incentives, both financial and non financial, move forwards an entrepreneur towards important decision and action. So, the topic is government incentive subsidy and grants is to be continued in the next video. So, thank you.